Session management defines the setup, monitoring and release of a packet switch connection. For this purpose, information defined in the PDP context is used, such as the quality of service. The PDP context can be in two different states, PDP context inactive or PDP context active. If the PDP context is inactive, no PDP address is activated. In other words, the user equipment cannot be contacted. After a successful PDP context activation request, the user equipment switches to PDP context active. The user equipment is assigned a PDP address. Now, the user equipment can be contacted, and the routing and locating information is updated as soon as the user equipment changes its location. In the PDP context active state, the existing PDP context can be modified. Further PDP context can be activated in addition to the existing PDP context. The user equipment can switch to the inactive state through a packet data detach or after deactivation of the last PDP context.